How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Catching Cars. My name is Isaiah, and this right here is the key to our test vehicle today. Thanks to Drive, we have this 2022 Audi SQ5. So this one is the diesel. All the new S models from Audi have a diesel, at least in Europe now. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out on the Autobahn, see how it goes, get an acceleration running, and then I'm gonna come back and tell you guys what I think of the SQ5. Before we get going, be sure to subscribe to Catching Cars. And we're already on the Autobahn, so let's just start it up and get in this launch. Alright, so the limiter would come on at 263 kilometers an hour on the speedo. However, we weren't able to reach that because of this lovely M3 here in front of us. But either way, you saw the acceleration. This thing is properly quick, especially, you know, coming from they used to be a gasoline powered SQ5, and now it's a diesel here in Europe. So it's the 3-liter diesel, puts out 349 PS, I believe. Right around that mark. I'll make sure that the information down below is correct. But either way, it is properly quick. It has a lot of torque, especially when you torque boost it or brake boost it there as well in the beginning. So very nice. And yeah, overall, it just feels like a solid vehicle, man. It's just really, really solid. I just got out of the iX3, which is basically an electric version of the BMW X3. So kind of a competitor to this. Of course, it's an electric vehicle compared to a diesel, but size-wise, they're about the same. And this one rides much better. You can put it in comfort mode. I have it in my individual mode right now, but you can put it in comfort mode, and it's just buttery smooth. And then when you put it in dynamic, it's actually, yeah, a bit more stiff. And you can corner in this as well. You can drive it very aggressively, I guess, and it doesn't punish you, but you can also just drive it nice and calmly, very smooth. And it's overall, you know, you get into this like every other Audi, and you feel right at home. I mean, the armrest is adjustable, which is nice. Material quality is good. Not great, honestly, but it is very good. One thing I am missing, I used to have the MMI controller here in the middle. Now this is all just touchscreen, and I think it's a bit far of a reach. And also, I don't know, I think while driving, just having that MMI controller here was just much better. I don't know why we had to get rid of that. Climate knobs feel really solid. I mean, this is Audi's game right here. The climate controls are just perfect, really perfect. That clicking noise, honestly insane. This right here as well, very nice. So yeah, overall the interior quality is great. The outside looks great. The engine is good. You can drive it efficiently, but you can also punch it, and you get some decent acceleration numbers out of it. Like I said, the assistance systems are hidden in this menu, which is way too complicated. You have to go through there and then turn them off. Stupid, just stupid. Go ahead, give me a button here to just turn everything off, like in the BMW, for instance, and that would be great. You can also turn it off here via the steering wheel, but it's still just too complicated, definitely. So yeah, but overall, a really nice vehicle. I can definitely recommend it, even with the diesel. You have this little sound generator, by the way. Let me go ahead and put it in dynamic mode, and I'll floor it one more time. Yeah, so you can hear the sound. It sounds like that on the outside as well. So I think that's okay. I guess it enhances the diesel sound. If I go ahead and put it in comfort mode, it won't have that that generated sound, and now I floor it and you barely hear anything. So that's just the regular diesel there. I'm not sure if I like it or not, but I guess it is better than nothing. I guess it gives you a bit more of excitement when accelerating. But yeah, overall, I could definitely recommend the SQ5. And that'll be it for today, guys. Be sure to subscribe to Catching Cars, leave a like and a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.